What's up, honest people? This is Angel of Random Honest Reviews, and today I'm so much excited because Sir Ellie of ASUS Philippines sent out these things. So what are these? We have the ASUS TUF Gaming H3 headset, and I have reviewed this way back, and until now I'm telling you, if you want a budget-priced gaming headset, go for this one. I'm not just saying this because they sent it to me. That's really something that I vouch for. It's really one of those rare budget-priced gaming headsets that's good quality. But the highlight of our video today is this ASUS AI noise cancelling mic adapter. So this has been released, I think, a year ago, if I'm not mistaken. And the software for this is for Windows 10 64-bit, and I'm working on Windows 11. We're gonna check it out if it's still gonna work well and how do you use this exactly. So let's unbox these things first. Let's go.
So here we have the ASUS AI noise cancelling mic adapter. In front of the box, it's a USB Type-C to 3.5mm, or the other way around, because this is where you will plug in your headset, and this is where you will plug the adapter to your laptop or a mobile device. And it includes a USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter. So checking here at the back, it says that AI powered, it has pure audio quality, lightweight, portable, it has a broad compatibility of different devices, of course. Connectivity, again, USB-C to 3.5mm. It has 95 decibel signal to noise ratio and headphone amplifier of up to 150 ohms. So let's check what's inside. We have here ASUS warranty information, some paperwork's there. You have here the quick start guide. So everything that you need to know when you use this for the first time is right here. And then finally, this is how very compact and portable it is. It's just so small. Here's the adapter. Again, 3.5mm and USB Type-C. Then we have here an extra adapter if you don't have a USB-C device. You have the USB-C to USB 2.0.
Okay, so we're now going to test the adapter, which is, where did I place it? It's right here. So this is the ASUS AI noise cancelling mic adapter. I'm so sorry, it's a mouthful. So what's gonna happen is we're going to do it in 3 ways. I'm now using the external microphone of my laptop. So it's the ASUS VivoBook laptop. So now I'm gonna plug in the ASUS TUF H3 headset, and we're going to use the built-in microphone of this headset. Okay, now my voice sounds like this with the microphone alone of the headset without the adapter. So this is how it is going to sound like. Now, I know that it doesn't have a windscreen, so you can hear my breathing too much. I'm so sorry about this, friends. Now, third way, we're going to now plug in the adapter on this cable of the headset. So of course, it's just very simple. Plug the 3.5mm jack here. And then I do have a USB Type-C port here. So all I have to do is plug it there. Okay, now that it's plugged in, check here if what's working is your ASUS AI noise adapter. It's right here. And then open the software. Then here, this is very important. In this software, here's where you can tweak its settings. If you want to reduce the noise in a much lower option, you can do it here. You can do mid and high. And you could also make sure that it knows where your microphone is. So is it 5 centimeters away from your mouth? Is it 5 to 10 centimeters away? 10 to 15. So this is very important. So I'm gonna choose this. And now you're not hearing it yet because my OBS is not set to that adapter yet. So this is another thing. If you're gonna use this for OBS, make sure that you still choose the ASUS AI noise canceling mic adapter in its settings. So here we go. Now here is how it sounds like with the adapter. What can you say? There's less background noise. The air is less also. And let's try to play along with its high low reduction level. So this is the low reduction level. 1, 2, 3 mic test. Here we have the mid reduction level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mic test. And then we have the high reduction level. So this is how it sounds like. Now in the snap, we're going to bring out all the things that we are going to use to really test out its noise reduction feature. So we have all these things prepared for you guys. So the first thing, wait, I have to check if I did choose the high. Yeah, this is high. Let's go low. Okay, so now I'm strumming on the ukulele with very random chords. And this is how it fares with the Microsoft adapter. Now we're going to try it in. And finally, let's go to the high level. Somewhere over the really don't know the chords. So that's how it sounds like with a noise canceling adapter. Now we're going to switch to what about keyboard, because a lot of people are annoyed by the sound of the mechanical keyboard. Although these are red switches, there's no noise, but the clacking of it is supposed to be still heard. I'm not sure if you can hear it right now with the low, but now I'm going to talk and type. So this is the type test using the noise adapter of ASUS in mid level of reduction. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't have an idea right now. Just chat in the comment section how it is performing. So now it's the high noise reduction level, and it's a tracking on my mechanical keyboard. So that is how it's gonna reduce the noise. Now let's do some, I feel so hungry right now. So we're going to open these want crackers. Okay, so it's snack time. Let's do it low level first as I open and tear this. Can you hear it? Okay, let's try it in the mid. And again, do this. And then let's do it in high. Now let's open. Sobrang gutom na ako, friends. I'm so sorry. I ripped it wrong. No. All the more that is. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I'm a mess right now. Okay, so high yung reduction level natin. I'm gonna open this up, and of course my mouth is here. So I think it can be heard, but why not test it, right? Let's first cut what do you call this? Break it in half. Let's first cut what do you call this? Break it in half. I'm not actually sure if the adapter can differentiate your voice from other noises like my chewing. This is yummy. Okay, let me finish. Now I have here my friend who's going to eat right there in front of me. Let's see if her noise will be heard. Okay, just do it at her. Mm. Yeah, and she's around, I think it's a meter away. She's a meter away from me. Okay, my last test now is party test. Let's call it that because what I'm gonna do is play some music. Sana hindi tayo copyright. I love IU, so I'm gonna fangirl here and I'm gonna play a few seconds of Blooming. And we're gonna switch to the microphone of the camera and microphone of the ASUS with the adapter. Okay, now I'm gonna switch first. We're going to continue that, but I don't know if I'm gonna have copyright issues. So we're going to switch to my songs on Spotify. Please download them. It's Angeli Marie. So this is a shameless plug once again. So this is the last test. I'm gonna play my song Takot. And again, we're going to switch using the microphone of the camera right here and the microphone of this ASUS Top HD with the adapter. Mahirap itago ang aking nararamdaman. Baka sa huling itataboy mo lang din naman. Mapansin ba? Okay, so that's it for the test of this ASUS noise adapter. So ASUS claimed that this will cancel out 50 million noises. So that's a lot. That's tons of noises, guys. And judging by the test that we made, it did really does its job of canceling out the noise. So if you don't have a treated room and your neighbors are noisy or sobrang ingay talaga sa loob ng house nyo, this is really a big help. We've tested out and you have seen it work its wonders. So I guess that this is really worth it, but it can be pricey to some. In the official online Shopee store of ASUS, this is 1,850 pesos. So our final verdict, this is a great tool. It's a tiny portable tool that really works its wonders. And just one thing to note, it can heat up when you use it for long periods of hours. But then again, this has been Angel of Random Honest Reviews. I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's always going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.